Okay, so um, friends, we are going to learn today this what we can call the stereochemistry of cyclic compounds. So, in the last few sessions, we have discussed how these cyclic compounds can be synthesized. So, we have seen 3 to 4 ways where we can construct such cyclic compounds, such as cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, and cyclohexane. In this class, we are going to study a specific theory which is going to explain the stability of these cyclic compounds. So that we are going to discuss this theory. So this theory, which was proposed by the scientist from whose name this theory is explained, and that is called as Bayer's theory of angle strain. So before I start for explaining you people regarding this stability concepts, so let me present my screen in front of you so that I can explain to you that what is this theory which is going to explain the stability of these all cyclic compounds. Okay, so as we know, a simply kind of a simple structure such as we know that simply a single bond, if you want to draw, we can draw points, and if these points are connected with to each other, if 2 points are connected with each other, then we can create a line like this. Basically, it can be a kind of some structure which may be some, if we connect two dots together, then it will create a line. Then if there is a third point over here, for example, and if we are going to connect this line with that dot, so it will be somehow some new property, what we used to call it as some angle, whether it is 90 degree, 40 degree, 30 degree, 20 degree, 0 degree. 0 degree तो angle नहीं बनता है, but yes, it can be some angle if 3 points are there. And further, if we connect these 2 points together with the help of some specific connectivity, then yes, now these 2 points together, it is some shape, and this shape we used to call it as a triangle. So if you are a mathematician, then you will observe that it is a triangle. What kind of triangle? It is equilateral triangle. Means it is having three sides, three laterals equal. ગુજરાતીમાં જેને કહીએ તો સમબાજુ ત્રિકોણ. So that is a chemist will perceive. Sorry, that a mathematician will perceive. What is called this equilateral triangle. So that is connected, that is made with the help of three of these points. Now, instead of drawing three, if we have 4 points, so already there are 3 points in this system. If we have additional fourth point over here, then it will be a simply like this. And what is this? It is a square. And square is always equilateral. Then it is called square. Otherwise, it will call as rectangle, right? Which is opposite sides are equal. So that is called rectangle. So what can be the angle? So there is some mathematician formula. So mathematics, these are basically all are the shapes. So mathematician will calculate these shapes with the help of some formula. What is this formula? This formula is if you want to calculate the angle, then angle is equal to, angle means in any shape, is equal to 180 minus 360 divided by small n. So this is a formula for calculation of angle. So apply this formula into this, where n is nothing but n is the number of laterals, the number of sides. So in this case, if I put for a triangle, if I put n is equal to 3, then 360 by 3 is 120. 180 minus 120, that will become 60 degree. So this is basically an angle of 60 degree. Okay, so triangle has the angle of, let us say, 60 degree. Is it clear? I hope I'm not teaching hard science. It is simple science, as good as uh, mathematicians can understand, and that is all. You people can also understand this, right? Being a first year pharmacy student. Then, if I go for calculation of this square, then 180 minus 360 by n, where n is equal to 4. So 360 by 4 is 90. 180 minus 90 will become 90 degree. So here the bond angle is, it means the angle between these two laterals, that will be 90 degree, right? So I am talking about the angle which is generally here. In this case it is here, and in this case it is physically a triangle. उसको तो square link draw करते हैं, like with the help of such. Though it will be a big line, so I'm not drawing that, but I'm talking about this angle just to show that. Though it is some other, according to Pythagoras, it is basically 90 degree, right? So this is for square as well as triangle. Now let us add one more point into this complex system over here in this one. So if I add one more point, so already there were 4 points. So this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. Let me add one more point over here. So it is 4 and one more over here. Fine. So that is this. Just for the sake of simplicity, let me allow it to draw in some fashionable systems like this. Okay. And now what is it? It is equilateral. Laterals are of same size. And polygonal. Polygonal and as well as we can call it as pentagon, because it is having 5 bonds. So mathematician will perceive these as pentagon. ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો પંચકોણ, right? So what will be the angle for this? You can calculate by putting n is equal to 5 in this formula, right? And this, if you put 180 minus 360 by n, so there shall be, if you put 360 by, let us say 5, then it will be 72. Then 180 minus 72, if you calculate, what will be 108. So here this bond angle shall be, let us say, 108. That is the bond angle in regular equilateral polygon. ગુજરાતીમાં કહીએ તો સમતલીય સમબાજુ પંચકોણ, that is pentagon, right? And so it is triangle, then 90 degree of square, and then we are having this 108 degree. So this angle we are talking, that is 108, 108. You can see the angle is increasing. Previously it was, let us say, 60, then become 90. 1 point add करने से become, there is an increase of 30 degree. Then फिर जे 1 point add करने से 90 से 108 हुआ, so there is approximate increase of 28 degree. Okay, थोड़ा 30 से 28 का मुनाफा हुआ है, बढ़ोतरी हुई है, but yes, it is 108 degree. Let us add one more point. So already we were having up to 5. So I'm drawing that structure just to highlight to you people and connecting them together so that you can know about already 5 points were there. I'm adding one extra point over here. Fine. So this is basically 6 points are there connected with each other with the help of lines. Now what I will do, I will convert this into this. So what is it? Equilateral, regular, and hexagon. Samtaliya, Sambaju, Shatkoণ, which is having 6 cones, 6 angles. So this hexagon, if you put n is equal to 6 in this formula, then what will be the bond angle? Yes, simply you can calculate 360 by 6 will become 60. 180 minus 60 will become 120. You do not have to mug up these values, but if you remember this formula 180 degree, 180 minus 360 by n, where n is number of laterals, n is number of sides, then you can easily achieve this one. Okay, so that is the major this thing I wish to share with you. So now, yes, it is 120 degree. This angle is previously this angle was up to here. Sorry for this. Now it was 108. Let me note down so that because I have to discuss so many things for this one. Okay, so here, the bond angle is 60 degree, 90 degree, 108 or 108 से 120 जाओ. So there is फिर भी increase हुआ है, although it is 22 degree or yeah 22 degree increase. So this way the bond angle changes. So all is that is basically class of mathematics. But today is not the class of mathematics. I am going to teach you the chemistry, the organic chemistry. If a person like me will observe these structures, then I will not consider, I will not see it as a triangle, but I will call this molecule as cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, and cyclohexane, respectively. I am a chemist. I am dealing with the molecules like this, which are cyclic, having a cyclic structure, whether it is 3-membered, 4, 5, 6-membered as well. By knowing this formula, you can also calculate the bond angle present in 7-membered heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decade, or whatever, non-decagon, undecagon. You can calculate the structures of all these this we can say polygonal structures, which are having more than one angles, more than one is gons. Gon is nothing but GONE. Gon stands for angle. Okay, so here that is the meaning of all this. But if you go for calculation of this all angles, not in according to this formula, however, according to the molecules, from the molecules which are present in real, that angle is vary. Now, why all of these compounds which are there on your screen, they are nothing but they are sp3 hybridized compounds. They all of them are sp3 hybridized compounds. And we very well know these sp3 hybridized compounds have bond angle 108.5 angstrom. This bond angle is 108.5. This angle is ideal bond angle, which was first of all calculated by Van 't Hoff and Lebel for a tetravalent carbon. If you remember our first lecture, then you will able to recognize this. This is the ideal bond angle. Ideal means everyone wants to achieve sp3 hybridized carbons, not all other. sp3 hybridized carbons will prefer to achieve this bond angle. But look at to this cyclopropane that is having only 60 degree. That is much less. In ideally, this cyclopropane will try to maintain the angle 108.5. जैसे आप लोगों का एग्जाम होता है 20 मार्क्स की एग्जाम होती है तो यू विल ट्राई टू अचीव आइडियल मार्क्स 20 आउट ऑफ 20. योर गोल विल बी रीच टू 20, बट 20 में से किसी के 2 आते हैं, किसी के 5, किसी के 20 में से 20. आइडियल को छू पाता है, कोई नहीं छू पाता है. But if you are at a 20 out of 20, you will feel, or 30 out of 30, you will feel, I am the stable one. Yeah, क्योंकि आपके relativity or you will try to achieve the maximum marks. For molecule also, just like human beings, we also have some ideal values. जैसे कोई कहेगा कि if I pass out from this LM College of Pharmacy, I wish to have my salary, let us say, at least 6 lakhs per year. Or if I go to some foreign country, I wish to earn 30 lakhs rupees or this much amount of US dollar or Canadian dollar or this much amount of euro per year. So that is your expectation. Your what can be whatever. I'm not going to claim all this. But that is your somehow goal you want to reach. Okay. So for molecules also this kind of behavior, if in a human beings we the people can have, then molecules can also have such kind of tendency behavior. So it shall try to obtain this bond angle which is considered as the ideal one, 108.5. And here this bond angle, and call it as, let us say, what is the deviation? Deviation is ideally it should reach to 108.5, but mathematics has suggested it is 60 degree. What is the deviation? Deviation is for these kinds of all molecules. So just a mistake, it is 109.5. Because many references books give different value. If you refer organic chemistry by Bruce, it will be 109.5. If you refer some Claydon, then it will maybe 108.5. So I'm following the organic chemistry by Bruce, and in Bruce it is mentioned 109.5. So what is the difference 109.5 and 60 degree? If you subtract this 60 from 109.5, it will become 49.5. This basically will be kind of bond angle. And this bond angle is nothing but this bond angle is in reality. जो reality show आप देखते होगे ना टीवी पे, so this angle is in reality. Actual angle, we can call it as actual as well. This is actual angle because it is present in real. And this angle is nothing but it is completely a theoretical angle which we have calculated using some formula. That's why this bond angle we call theoretical angle. Like this. This is actual, which is in real. अभी हम इसको calculate करेंगे. Don't assume that these all are already there. We will calculate this. I will show you what is the difference. Basically, in fact, this is not actual angle. Actual angle is this one. This is not actual angle even. This is a kind of, we can call, this is basically difference in angle. Kind of delta value we can calculate difference in angle. Okay, so that we can give with the help of this. Sorry for this delta angle. difference in angle. I'm just showing this delta just to highlight the difference. 109.5 minus 60, so that is 49.5. Chemist will, this molecule shall try to adapt 109.5. Mathematics ने बोला है mathematical formula ने it is 60 degree. So difference in the angle is 49.5. They say it's simpler. There is examination of 30 marks, but out of 30 you obtain only, let us say 15. तो कितना difference हुआ 15 का. If you have obtained 28, कितना difference हुआ only 2. If you have obtained only 5 marks, difference will be 25. So the same way this formula will go on. For this cyclobutane, 109.5 minus 90 degrees. So this angle, basically it is in the strain. Why it is in the strain? Ideally होना चाहिए 109.5 और उसका मॉलिक्यूल का है 90 डिग्री. तो डिफरेंस है 19.5. 19.5 difference, and that's why it will be under strain. जैसे किसी को 20 में से 30 में से 30 मिलते हैं तो he is happy, she is happy, but somebody obtain 20 out of 30, तो 10 का लॉस है, 10 मार्क्स छूट गए. जैसे आप पेपर खत्म होता है तो आप कभी बोलते हो ना, अरे आज के पेपर में तो मेरा 20 मार्क्स का लिखने का ही छूट गया, टाइम ही नहीं मिला. तो आप जो बाकी जो अटेंड किया उसको देख के खुश नहीं होते हो, और जो छूट गया उसको देख के आप परेशान होते हो. ठीक है. सो दैट इज योर टेंडेंसी, योर डिस्टेबिलिटी, your tension because of this lost or unattempted questions for the corresponding marks. Same way, molecules are also under tension. जैसे हमें खाने पीने और अपने रहने पीने खाने पीने रहने की चिंता होती है, मॉलिक्यूल को भी चिंता होती है. They are also under tension. But उनको हमारे लिए तो हम टेंशन बोलते हैं, આપણે हमने चिंता कही है, ताण कही है कि डिप्रेशन कही है. But molecules will, for molecules, molecule ने ताण चिंता के डिप्रेशन ना होए એમને આપણે કહીએ સિમ્પલ સ્ટ્રેન. સ્ટ્રેન નો ગુજરાતી મીનિંગ એવો થાય ખેંચતાણ. કોઈ એક વસ્તુ પકડીએ અને પછી એને ખેંચીએ, સ્ટ્રેન કરીએ, તો that some object is under strain. I will not going to strain this, otherwise I will lose my charger. So I'm going to put it under strain. ખાલી બતાવતો હતો, કરતો નહોતો. Okay, so this is cyclobutane is also under strain. That strain is about 19.5. Further, this cyclopentane, so ideally it should be 109.5, but here it is 108. So ये ज़्यादा stable है, क्योंकि relatively the difference is only 1.5 degree. ज़्यादा tension नहीं है, only little amount of tension, 1.5. किसी का 30 में से किसी को 29 मिलता है ना, तो वो फिर उतना घबराता नहीं है, क्योंकि एक मार्क ही छूटा है ना, 10, 50, 100 मार्क्स नहीं छूटे हैं. एक मार्क या 1.5 मार्क ही कट हुआ है. सर ने 1.5 मार्क ही कट किया है, ज्यादा कट नहीं किया है. तो उतना वो ज्यादा इंटेलिजेंट है, आईक्यू वाला है, स्टूडेंट है, कैलिबर उसका पर्सन, ही शी और ही इज अ गुड स्कॉलर, इंटेलिजेंट वन. हियर so that way it is not under much tension. क्योंकि इसको तो 49.5 का स्ट्रेन है, यहाँ पे 19.5, it is relatively stable 1.5. और इसके लिए if you go for 109.5 minus 120, what will be? It will be in minus 11 or 10.5. It will be minus 10.5. although इसको तो भी 100 में से 110 मार्क्स मिल रहे हैं, भाई उस टाइप का है ये. 100 मार्क्स का पेपर था और 110 लेके आया. क्यों? क्योंकि उसने एक्स्ट्रा अटेम्प्ट किया होगा पेपर में. 7 में से 5 लिखने थे, इसने 7 में से 6 लिख डाले और 7 में से 7 लिख डाले. तो दैट वे this molecule is more powerful. I mean to say, there is no tension in this molecule. There is no strain in this molecule. उसको मिलने उसको अटेंड करना था 109.5 और उसने उसका जो एंगल है वो है 120 डिग्री साइक्लोहेक्सेन. So this way, these all strategies of these cyclic compounds, and because of this angle difference, molecules are under strain or else. This strain is not because of only difference in angle between the two sides like this. So that's why whatever the difference is obtained, that is categorically called as angle strain, strain in angle. This angle strain was first studied by the scientist whose name is Adolf von Baer. That is the name of his. Adolf von Baer. He was a German chemist. तो जर्मन में जब उसका नाम लिखते हैं ना तब हमारा उसका जो V है वो स्मॉल होता है. Adolf von Baer. And from this whatever these molecules are there, they are under strain, they are under tension. अब हमारे साथ क्या होता है एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, इफ वी आर अंडर स्ट्रेन, इफ वी आर अंडर टेंशन, देन हमारा मुंह our psychological expressions will be different. जैसे कि if I am very sad because of something that happened in my life, maybe my expression like be like this, or I will be doing like this. If I am having lot of tension of so many things on my head, whatever, बहुत ही ज्यादा टेंशन होगा और because of this, if I am not able to sustain the things, I will be crying. किसी की फैमिली में डेथ हो गया होगा तो you will able to come to know that what kind of sadness the people will have, what kind of facial expression, psychological expression you can see at that time. So that is the sad moment in the life. So we are under tension at that time, but even if we are happy, then ha ha ha, hey. So that way, the laughing is some different kind of expression. So laughing and joke, whatever. If you are observing some jokes or some reading some these kinds of jokes or whatever, watching some videos, on Insta, Facebook, wherever. तो फिर वो वीडियो देखते देखते या हंसने लगोगे कि ये देखो क्या हो गया. देन सब बाजू में जो बैठा है वो भी आपको पूछेगा कि what happened to you, why are you laughing, let us know so that we can also enjoy that laughing. This is exactly a kind of facial expression, happiness and sadness. जैसे किसी के 50 में से 100 मार्क्स मिल जाते हैं, सॉरी 50 में से 50 मिल जाते हैं, he will be happy. 50 में से 10 मार्क्स मिले तो उतना हैप्पी नहीं होगा जितना 50 वाला हैप्पी है. Okay? So molecules are also having these kinds of happiness and sadness. It appears that this cyclohexane is happiest molecule, and cyclopropane is unhappy molecule. Because cyclopropane का जो bond angle है, cyclohexane का जो bond angle है, that is more than ideal one. cyclopropane का जो bond angle है, ideal के 50-60% 49.5 का strain है, tension है on these molecules. That's why if we try to see, then cyclopropane is having more bond angle, एंगल स्ट्रेन, देन साइक्लोब्यूटेन, और उसके बाद आएगा साइक्लोप्रोपेन, और सबसे ज्यादा एंगल स्ट्रेन है कम है साइक्लोहेक्सेन में, सबसे ज्यादा है साइक्लोप्रोपेन में। जो छोटा होता है ना, उसको ही सबसे ज्यादा मेहनत करनी होती है। एक बार आप धीरू भाई अंबानी, मुकेश अंबानी, या फिर सम नरेंद्र मोदी, या फिर जो बाइडेन, या फिर कमला हैरिस बन जाते हो, then people will be around you, you will not have to do the work। जैसे एक अदालत है, उसमें न्यायाधीश बैठता है, ठीक है, तो फिर न्यायाधीश को खाली ऑर्डर ऑर्डर ही करना होता है, बाकी सब लोग शांत हो जाते हैं। न्यायाधीश को फिर पानी भरने नहीं जाना होता है, न्यायाधीश को फिर प्रूफ इकट्ठा करने नहीं जाना होता है, वो सब उसके ऑर्डर से सब होने लगता है। जब आपकी when you are an young person, you will have to work a lot, you will have to read a lot, you will have to work hard for your study whatever। फिर आप उस पोजीशन पे जाओगे तो उतना आपको लोड नहीं रहेगा, your life will be stable। Here is also like this, small molecules have a lot of strain, but larger molecules such as cyclopentane is enough stable, okay। So that is just I'm trying to correlate the philosophies. This may not be true in all the circumstances. So this is just this theory, which was proposed by a scientist, a German chemist who was born in Germany and worked in Germany। That German chemist के name से this theory is called as Bayer's theory of angle strain। And so that is called Bayer's theory of angle strain। In other sentence, you can notify that any bond deviation from the ideal bond angle in the molecule will make the molecule the strain, and because of this strain, molecule is going to change the conformation. They may adopt some different conformation, which is called the puckered conformation। जैसे आपकी लाइफ में हैप्पीनेस और सैडनेस आती है, and your expressions are going to change। Some in a happy moment, maybe you are happy, and in some sad moments you will become sad। So molecules are also changing their expressions। So that expression is not like this, that expression is completely different। So cyclopropane, that is under tension, tension in such a tension that it is going to adopt the conformation which is some different one, not it is equilateral, regular, triangle, it will adopt the different conformation। This different conformation is completely the one which we have not observed। साइक्लोप्रोपेन की लाइफ में टेंशन आता है तो वो कैसा बनता है? So it is going to adopt some different structure that I am going to present over here. It's called, I'm going to show the structure of this to you people. It is like this. Let me show it in these directions. Maybe it is visible now. Fine. So for cyclopropane, three carbons are there connected with each other. What is that? This is nothing but a banana. In Gujarati, you know very well what is called it. This is a structure of this molecule, cyclopropane. It is not equilateral, regular, triangle. It is the structure like this. In the sad moment, it will adopt the conformation like this. क्योंकि sad moment है 49.5 inch का difference है. It is going to bend the bonds. This it is also called as banana bonds because of these band structures. Band bonds. Band એટલે વળેલા. Band means which are having bending into their structures. And that is because of the bending in several orbitals. The orbital pictures which is there, that is going to support all of these structures because of which this may observe. You can see cyclopropane having ideally it should have 109.5 bond angle, but the orbitals will overlap like this so that it can have 109.5 bond angle. Okay, so maybe this is one of the reason because of which cyclopropane will adopt such kind of banana bonds. Okay, so don't, if as a chemist, don't assume cyclopropane is regular polygonal, regular equilateral triangle, but it will have the structure like this band bonds, what is called this banana bond. So this bond is called as band bond or also called as banana bond. That means for your understanding, I am mentioning it as banana bond. So cyclopropane, the molecule with banana bond. I have put this image to here so that you can remember. जब साइक्लोप्रोपेन की लाइफ में सैडनेस आता है तब वो ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर बनाता है. Otherwise, you can remember the cyclo to adopt the ideal bond angle 109.5. Cyclopropane will have adopt the structure of another molecule. Next one, cyclobutane. इसमें है difference 19.5. So this cyclopropane, can you assume what can be the structure of cyclopropane, cyclobutane? उसमें भी 19.5 का difference है. It will not be equilateral, regular, square. It will adopt some different structure, different shape. What it will be? Can you think on this? Cyclobutane. This cyclobutane will adopt the structure, different one. It is called a butterfly. Yes, so let me show that structure to you so I can show it that butterfly structure to you. Yes, here it is on there on your screen. So this is a molecule which is going to adopt the structure like this, carbon number 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is nothing but a kind of butterfly. Even I'm not sure I will have so many images from here as well. I can get the structures also. Cyclic compounds. Yes, yeah. Cycloalkanes, we have CP rings are also the conformers. And now from these conformers, the butterfly or cyclo propane, and this can be for cyclobutane. Yes, this is the exact structure for cyclobutane, kind of butterfly. I need to say this. इसलिए I'm acting like this so that you can remember what can be the shape of butterfly. उड़ने वाली मधुमक्खियां होती है ना, उसके टाइप का ये स्ट्रक्चर है. इसके विंग्स है और हवा में उड़ती रहती है. This is a shape of your molecule. So don't assume that this molecule equivalent, it is not square four-membered cyclic compound, is not equilateral regular square, but it is this butterfly. One carbon number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it possesses total 4 carbons. This is the structure of. And let me, for your sake of simplicity, mention here butter. After this, another one higher homologue, fifth carbon, 5 carbon containing equilateral regular polygon pentagon. Basically, your cyclopentane. So, what can you imagine? Can you think on this cyclopentane structure? What it can be? Although it is, आपको लगेगा 5 रिंग इकट्ठा कर दो तो वैसा बन जाएगा. In reality, when you will go for some this structure, then it will be exactly. I'm going to put it on your screen, the image first, so that you can remember it. What is called exactly kind of structure it will have. That is open envelope. So it will be looking like open envelope. So the structure is, yeah, I obtained it. This is now on your screen here. ये जो structure है ना, that is open envelope conformers cyclopropane carbon number, where you can count the carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. ये जो स्ट्रक्चर है ना उसको बोलते हैं ओपन एनवेलॉप. जैसे ओपन एनवेलॉप होता है ना, वो उस टाइप का एक ओपन स्ट्रक्चर है. एनवेलॉप को ओपन कर दो तो उसके अंदर आप कुछ अपने इमेज डॉक्यूमेंट्स डाल सकते हो. उसको क्लोज कर दो, then you can send it to the place where you want. This is a structure of open envelope. I think I can also obtain such open envelope structures from these conformers for cyclopentane, that is this 5-membered cyclic compound. Okay, so this is the structure of cyclo. पहले मैंने अच्छे से ड्रॉ किया हुआ रखा था, so you can identify that is envelope, because एनवेलप क्लोज होता है तो उसमें 5 पॉइंट नहीं होते, उसमें 4 होता है, इसलिए आपको मेंशन करना जरूरी है. इट इज ओपन एनवेलप स्ट्रक्चर. Okay, so cyclopentane is open envelope. So that this structure is also clear to you. So 3-membered cyclic ring is banana bond, 4-membered is this butterfly, and 5-membered will be this open envelope. And what about 6-membered cyclic compound? A kind of regular hexagonal structure, equilateral, regular equilateral hexagon. Mathematics will call like this, but chemists will call it as cyclohexane. What will be the structure of this? That is nothing but a chair conformer. So before I go to show you some chair to you, I would like to show the chair conformer to you, so that how the chair is looking alike, so that you can remember easily. Even the same some image, I can also Um, I'm pasting out here. This is the structure of cyclohexane. The chair conformer, just like you are sitting on the desk, you are putting your legs into the front like this over here, and also your hands are like this. So you are sitting with comfort. Similarly, this molecule is there. I can also find out the same cyclic conformers from this having cycloalkanes. I can obtain it from this several of this. Here it is chair conformer. पहले जो ड्रॉ किया था that is more you correct, but I think whatever, if you feel this is good आप ये भी रख सकते हो. If you think this one is okay, then no issue with also the same. So let me give this one. It is more visible that it possesses carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So it maybe it is having total 6 carbons like this. Okay, so that was the discussion that of majority I wish to share with you so that I can show you what can be the different structures of all of this. These all structures which we have seen over here, they are nothing but called as puckered conformation because they are not equilateral, regular, some cyclic triangle structure, but all of these structures are basically puckered conformations. Means they are having more than some more or less bond angles. These all conformers are puckered conformations. પકડ એટલે ગુજરાતીમાં જેને કહીએ તો જે કંઈક વાંકા ચૂકા હોય, which structures are really some kind of we can call them as Torodaila Muradaila. Right? These structures are also like this. You can see they are not even having good qualities, but થોડા વાંકા ચૂકા વળેલા છે. Right? So this way, all of this which we can see. This was theory which was first explained by the scientist Adolf von Baer, and from his name, this theory is called as Adolf von Baer theory. And simply, it is there. 109.5 is the ideal one. The molecules, according to mathematics, are certain different bond angle. So that is the angle strain. And because of this angle strain, these molecules which are over here, they are going to change their structure. Cyclopropane will become banana bond, will adopt the banana bond, band bonds. Cyclobutane will adopt butterfly-like structure. Cyclopentane will adopt open envelope-like structure. And cyclohexane will adopt the chair conformers. This theory is called as a kind of theory of angle strain, which was first studied by some scientist, Adolf von Baer, and from his name, this theory is termed as Adolf von Baer's theory of angle strain. Because it involves the difference in angle strain, that's why it is called the theory of angle strain. And after this, so many other theories have there, such as this theory of, let us say, Sachet and Mohr theory, as well as one more theory given by some another scientist. So that is also that came into the existence, which has explained the stability of these cyclic compounds. Okay, so it is not the part of your syllabus, this stability of or whatever the theory which came after this cyclic alkane. So that is not in your syllabus, but however, if you want to see that cycloalkanes and their stability, so that video It's also there on YouTube, Sasha Mohar theory, and one more theory I am not able to recognize the name of that fellow, but yes, that is also there. Sasha Mohar theory and Ecor theory. Fine. So that was the main concern which I wish to discuss with you people. So let us stop up to this. We will restrict up to here. In the coming session, we shall start our discussion from this onwards. Okay. So thank you, friends. Thank you so much.